Hi guys, today we are going to learn Unit 5 India through the eyes of a foreigner. Okay, this is a new lesson which we are going to learn today. See pre-reading activity, listening and speaking. Listen to what your teacher says and answer his or her questions. Okay, this is for your instruction. In this short account of these experiences in India, Mark Tully tells us why he likes India and Indians very much. He gives a word picture of India's natural beauty and the beauty of the India's social, religious and cultural activities. There are beautiful descriptions of the ways in which we worship the Almighty. In the end, he says he has been accepted as a part of India. This thought makes him feel good. Okay, this is what this lesson is all about, the experience of Mark Tully. Who is Mark Tully? He has experienced in India some things that he is expressing in this lesson. Okay, in this lesson he is expressing his love and affection towards the country. He is expressing social, religious and cultural activities of Indians. Okay, there are beautiful descriptions of the ways in which worship the Almighty. Okay, everything he is describing what he saw in India, what is his personal experience that he is sharing to you and me. Okay, now let us see who is Mark Tully. Okay, Mark Tully was born in Calcutta and educated in England. He was correspondent for the BBC in South Asia for 25 years. He now works as a journalist in New Delhi. Mark Tully's books on India, No Full Stop in India, The Heart of India and The India is Slow Motion are highly acclaimed. Mark Tully was born in Calcutta but he was educated in England. Okay, and he worked in BBC in South Asia. For about 25 years he worked in BBC as a journalist. Okay, and he wrote many books. Under that, India No Full Stop in India, The Heart of India, India is Slow Motion. These are all the important books he has written on India. Okay, this is a small experience which he is sharing to you and me in order to express the feeling towards the India. Okay, now let us see about his experience. Read this passage at home before your teacher gives the model reading in the class. Follow his or her model reading carefully. Keep reading the passage at home to strengthen your reading ability. Okay, this is instruction for you. Before I could read in the classroom or in the session, you need to finish reading and understand the English comprehension. Okay? I hope next time you will do it. Okay? Now, page number 59, first paragraph I am reading. I soon realized that it was not going to be difficult to get involved in India. From day one, I was surrounded by friends. The friends my predecessors introduced me to, the staff of All India Radio, the members of the press club and my new neighbors. When he came to India, everybody welcomed him. His predecessors, his staff, his friends, those who are working in All India Radio, those friends and those who are in the club and new neighbors. Everybody welcomed him when he came to India for the first time. Many are still good friends. From day one even to till his retirement, they were all very good friends. It's through them that I have become involved in their country. All friends helped him to become a member of our country. He became very good, relaxing person of a country. Now, when I am asked why I am staying on, I reply, because of my friends. If somebody asks, why are you in India instead of England? My answer will be, because of my friends. Okay? That, of course, is only part of the truth. I am drawn to India by its beauty. Okay? Of course, it is truth. Along with this, I am attracted towards the beauty of India. He is replying to all. Particularly its natural beauty. For what he is attracted to India? Because of its natural beauty. Because of sceneries. Because of the beauty of India. Okay? Recently I have beside a campfire in the great Himalayan National Park, watching the snow-covered mountains glittered in the sunset. A week later, I was in Kerala, in the extreme south, sitting in my bathing trunks, looking out over the Arabian Sea as the sun slid like a great red dome below the horizon. There are the smells of India too, which evoke such nostalgia. Okay, what he said? He is attracted. Recently, he has visited Greater Himalaya for campfire. There he saw beautiful mountains covered with the snow. After 1 week, he visited Kerala as well, where he saw the beauty of the nature which was attracting to him, particularly sunset. In Arabian Sea, it was very much attracted to him. Great red dome below the horizon, it was very much attracted to him. Because of that reason, he was very happy. There are the smells of India too, which evoke such nostalgia. Nostalgia meaning attracting towards the past event. Okay. He was very much attracted towards the experience of Kerala and Greater Himalaya. He could not forget it. There is a dry scent of early summer in Delhi as the blue jacarandas, the scarlet gulmahars and other trees come into flower. The sweet smell of the queen of the night, the freshness of the first of pine trees in the foothills of the Himalayas after a long, hot and dusty drive across the plains. There are the folk songs and the classical music with ragas that start with such